Hi there. It's the last Monday in June, and Deb and I have some floral cards to share with you. Deb, who is Deb Haug's Crafty Cottage here on YouTube, so be sure and check out her channel when you're done watching my video. So I pulled out, I'm kind of into using what I have and using up as much as I can of older supplies. So I pulled out an older Memories and More card kit from Stampin' Up called Flowers for Every Season, and I just kept it in an old paper pumpkin box that I turned inside out so that the craft color would show. And this was a kind of a collection of products that there were several things, so you could get some 6x6 paper, Flowers for Every Season 6x6 designer series paper, and I used some of that. And then I used some Flowers for Every Season Memories and More cards and envelopes. And then I used all of those up. And then I used Flowers for Every Season Memories and More card pack. And then I have one Flowers for Every Season Cards and More. So I don't know why I have two different designs. But anyway, they're all the same kind of patterns. So I used up, I believe, all of the 4x6 and almost all of the 3x4. So let's start with the 4x6. I don't have them out of the envelopes, so sorry about that. So here I layered the 4x6 and then the 3x4 and just put a piece of cardstock behind it. Some of these need to be finished on the fronts with either embellishments or sentiments, but here's the inside. And then the coordinating envelope. And there's this one. This was a 4x6 card. Here's how the card bases came with the little white dotted frame. And then here's one of the Memories and More cards I thought fit nicely on the inside to write or stamp a sentiment. And I don't have those stamped on yet. Will when I know how I want to use the cards. Here's another one. So you can see very quick and easy cards to make using those Memories and More cards. This one is exactly the same. Here's another one. And another card on the inside. I liked this for the inside because it had little grid marks I thought would be nice for writing on or stamping on. And then this pretty one. And matching envelope. And then I have a couple of these. Again, I need to finish off the fronts in some way. I was just kind of running out of ideas after working on all of these cards. The front is the same. I used a different card for the inside. And same front, but a different inside. So it was fun to mix and match, and then these are the envelopes that came for those smaller cards. It was fun to mix and match the different cards for the insides and outsides. And then I just added some little embellishments from my stash. These are from Stampin' Up. They were the in colors that went with the in colors featured in this kit. And then these were some little resin hearts that Stampin' Up offered at one time. And then these are some of the brass butterflies that Stampin' Up has. I thought that went perfect with those little cards. Another one like this, like that previous one. And just a couple more here. You Are My Sunshine, where I've got the yellow enamel dots. And you inspire me with the little gold or brass butterflies. And then 2 more larger cards. This one I used a little stamps that I have of these little tags that says today's the day, and here's some enamel dots from Stampin' Up! In older in colors. And here I took 2 of the Memories and More cards for the corners, and then a 3rd one for the inside, or for the middle I should say. And then this one is Embrace Today, and then here is the inside. So lots of very simple and quick cards. Oops, I see one more, a couple more. Lots of quick and easy cards using those Memories and More cards. I added some enamel dots. And I promise this is the last one. It's the same as the one I just showed you. So there you go. Quick and easy way to make some cards that can be used for any occasion, depending on how you, what sentiments you stamp inside. All right, I would like to thank you for joining me. Next month we have a brand new theme for our collab on Mondays, and stay tuned for that. And thank you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.